Did you know that Cameroon is launching one of the most ambitious projects in all of Africa? It's called Ndolé City, and if completed, should attract up to 5 million tourists every single year. But before we get too excited, let's remember what happened with Akon City in Senegal. You see, Ndolé City is planned just outside Douala in Sikoum Dibamba, and the first phase of the project was launched on a 1,500 hectare site. The project is valued at over 10 billion US dollars and is backed by the government as part of Cameroon's 2035 development strategy. This vision is not short of boldness: a modern, eco-friendly smart city that will ease congestion in Douala, attract global tourism and create over 12,000 new businesses, as well as more than 2 million indirect employments. Officials in Cameroon describe this project as a game changer that could transform Cameroon's economy, its tourism sector, and even its international image. But here is the little problem. We have heard these promises before. Remember that back in 2020, Akon, together with the Senegalese government, launched the Akon City project, which was promoted as a $6 billion smart city powered by renewable energy and Akon cryptocurrency. In fact, it was supposed to be something of a real-life Wakanda. But fast forward to about 5 years later, the site is still mostly empty land. The futuristic skyscrapers and smart infrastructure that were promised never materialized. Today, many people consider Akon City a failed project and an example of how overly ambitious projects can collapse without proper planning, transparency, and long-term funding. So when we hear about Ndolé City aiming for 5 million tourists every single year, together with how much it is valued at, it raises an important question. Will Cameroon deliver, or is this another glossy dream destined to fade just like Akon City? The stakes are incredibly high because if successful, Ndolé City could redefine urban development in Central Africa. But if it fails, it risks joining a long list of mega projects that never left the blueprint.